Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring some of the most inspiring modern bathroom design ideas that can completely elevate the look and feel of your home. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking for a few creative upgrades, these concepts will help you transform your bathroom into a stylish, calming, and functional retreat. Let's begin with one of the core principles of modern design: simplicity. Clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and minimal decor set the foundation for a sleek and contemporary bathroom. Opt for floating vanities, frameless shower enclosures, and neutral color palettes to create a fresh and open atmosphere. Next, let's talk materials. Natural elements like wood, stone, and textured tiles add depth and character to modern spaces. Consider using matte finishes, marble countertops, or large-format tiles for a seamless and luxurious look. These materials not only look beautiful, but also make your bathroom feel more high-end and spa-like. Lighting plays a huge role in modern design. Incorporate layered lighting to enhance both function and ambiance. LED mirrors, under-cabinet lights, and warm, diffused sconces can create a soft, inviting glow, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Storage is also essential in keeping your bathroom organized and clutter-free. Look for smart storage solutions like built-in shelves, recessed niches, or floating cabinets. These options keep your essentials within reach while maintaining a clean and streamlined aesthetic. Depending on your budget, you may wish to consider adding a touch of technology. From smart showers and temperature-controlled floors to motion sensor faucets and digital mirrors, modern tech can make your bathroom more comfortable and efficient.